No, get out of here. Turn that damn thing off.
Here we go. It's Cooking with Lisa. Okay? She never cooks. She's cooking for us for New Year's Eve. What are you making, Lisa?
Fucking chicken noodle casserole.
Hey, it's a children's show, too. Careful. Yeah. So it's fucking chicken noodle casserole? Chicken noodle casserole. Okay.
Get out.
What? No, it's good.
Out.
No, look, she's like an above shot now of the cooking. So what's in it, Lisa?
Move.
What's in it?
Get out.
What is in it? What's in it? What are you doing?
Balls.
Ah! What are you doing? Ow! Hey! She was taking a fork to my balls. That's my wife. No forking, honey. No forking. She's not going to tell us what's in it? Ah! Okay, this is ending this. Ow, that's my butt. This is ending this episode of Cooking with Cletus. Bye.